like it. Nice. Nag-masan siya. Nag-mas special. I like it. Masan guys, mga tayo. Nag-masan. Ha? Wow. Yan, may kayo mga guys. Ayan o, nagkatutin order ni Supreme tata. Oh. Ayan. Yun, ang masarap o. Yan, si Supreme no. Nice. Guys, tikman natin tong sizzling nilang shrimp. Ayan o. Nag-imas titsura na. Kan tayo malano na imas. Panalo. Nag-imas ang George. Uy, matching pala sila. Oh. Sarap ng kain ni Super Iman ah. Matching na matching sila. Mangan. Yan mangan guys. Gimasin. Guys, ito cherry oh. Nag-imasin, the bacon na creamy. Yan yung mga ni guys ni oh. Ang sarap malamang nito oh. Look at that. Oh yan si Supuriman. Hi Supuriman. Let's go eat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Light a candle. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Okay, now eat the entire cake.
Eat all you can.
Oh, look.
You know what, John Jay? Iman?
Yeah.
That's his first time cake. Since lifetime.
That's the first time.
What?
Yeah.
He never ate cake?
He ate cake but he doesn't have a cake. He doesn't have birthday cake.
Oh, so he had cake.
Yeah, birthday boy. You get
Birthday
to set your own
cake is basically cake. So he didn't.
Ayan guys. Hinihiwa na niya yung cake niya. Oh. Birthday boy. Got bigger one.
You guys.
Uy, nagtakil jigi iniiwanan George. Gimas ice cream kipan.
Guys, yung napunan. Nakikinuha niya. Oops! Yung! Oh, wow! Oh, strawberry cheesecake. Wow! Nagimasin.
Look at that. It's Junji's first time eating cake for his birthday.
Yep.
Wow, look at that. Ice cream, strawberry cheesecake.
Good.
Wow.
Sarap ba yun, Jay?
Yep.
Wow, English yun ah. Yap ah.
Yummy.
Ano mas masarap yung ito o yung kwan? Yung tinapay na cake? This one? Wow.